Ever get that feeling? Like you're trying to customize some software, make it actually work for you.
Oh, yeah.
And it just turns into this massive headache. Like you're constantly adding on and tweaking, but never quite getting it right.
Totally.
But what if, and stick with me here, there's a completely different way to do this whole software thing?
Okay, I'm intrigued.
Like what if, instead of forcing a pre-built solution to work, we could build software that's already perfectly tailored to our needs from the ground up?
Okay, now you're speaking my language. That's where digital twinning comes in.
Right. This source we've got, digital twinning, a leap beyond customization, dives deep into this whole concept.
And it's pretty fascinating stuff. It's actually got roots in this thing called Industry 4.0, which is basically revolutionizing the manufacturing world.
Industry 4.0, is that like robots taking over factories?
Kinda, but not in a scary sci-fi way. It's more like, imagine having a perfect digital replica, a twin, of every machine and process in your factory.
Okay, I'm picturing like a virtual copy of the whole operation.
Exactly. And because it's digital, manufacturers can run simulations, test changes, and optimize everything before making a single change in the real world. It's like a super-powered crystal ball for efficiency.
So are we talking about bringing that same kind of twin power to something like, say, my messy CRM system?
You got it. With digital twinning for software, you're not bolting on solutions after the fact.
Right, right.
It starts by truly understanding your organization, how you work, what your pain points are, like building a detailed blueprint of your needs. You get a custom-made solution from day one.
Okay, I can see how that would be a game changer. But you know me, I gotta ask, how does this actually translate into like real-world benefits?
This source breaks it down into three main areas: efficiency, flexibility, and a competitive edge.
Music to my ears. Okay, hit me with efficiency first.
Imagine a company using a digital twin to model a new customer onboarding process.
Okay, I'm with you.
They can simulate different scenarios, pinpoint bottlenecks, and streamline everything before a single line of code is even written.
Oh, wow. So you're basically saving tons of time and money by getting it right the first time.
Exactly. Now, think about flexibility. Businesses are constantly evolving, right?
Tell me about it. It's like trying to hit a moving target.
Right. So with a digital twin, your software can evolve too.
You're saying no more rigid systems that can't keep up.
Exactly. As your needs change, you just update the twin, see the impact virtually, and then implement those changes in your real system. It's like adapting on the fly.
Okay, that's what I call future-proofing. Right, we've got efficiency, we've got flexibility. What about this competitive edge you mentioned?
Think about it. You get the best of both worlds. You get industry standard features, the stuff everyone expects, but you also get these totally unique elements, custom designed for your specific needs. You're not stuck choosing between almost good enough and custom built but takes forever.
So it's about standing out, but also being able to actually build what you need when you need it.
Exactly. That's a serious advantage in today's market.
Okay, sold. But there's one more thing I got to ask about.
Yeah.
The source mentioned something called Genio Generative AI. What's that all about?
Genio. This is where it gets really wild. Imagine having an AI that could take your digital twin, that blueprint we were talking about, and, well, basically write the code for you.
Whoa, hold on. An AI that just builds your software for you.
Pretty much. Genio takes this whole process to a whole new level. It's crazy fast and efficient.
So it's not just about designing the perfect system on paper, but actually having the horsepower to make it a reality, like, immediately.
You got it. And it gets even cooler. Genio can actually help keep your software perfectly in sync with your digital twin, even as your needs change and evolve.
So are you saying we're moving beyond just reacting to changes and into, like, predicting and adapting in real time?
Exactly. It's like having a crystal ball that also builds the future it sees. This isn't just about software anymore, this is about building adaptable, responsive organizations that can thrive in a constantly changing world.
So what I'm hearing is this digital twin thing, powered by AI like Genio, it's not just a cool tech thing. It's a completely new way of thinking about technology and how we use it to build better, more successful, well, everything.
You said it. And this is just the tip of the iceberg.
You think so?
Oh, I know. So if we can do this with software, imagine the possibilities. What other aspects of our work, our businesses, even our cities could benefit from this kind of digital twin approach?
That is a really good question.